Hi, this is Nick at Atlantic Laser Scanning. Today we're going to take a look at a new project that is already registered. We're going to set up viewpoints. So if you are looking to talk to a customer about the project that you've just finished for them, you can see the different viewpoints already pre-programmed into SCENE software. So you can go to what you consider the most important points of the project quickly and easily. So we'll jump into Explorer here. As you can see, we've got a fully registered project, green light. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a project point cloud. Now, straight up here to the upper right-hand corner to create, we're going to quickly go through, leave everything as default, and start the process. Now that we've got a project point cloud created, we can unload our scans and jump into our Explorer one more time, and we've got our project lined up. We can begin with just an overall shot here of the project by just adding a viewpoint. And then as you feel that we've got important areas to take a look at, we just continue to add them. Now, if there's something in this view that we would think is crucial, say a measurement, we can go ahead and measure just anything. If that's something that's important, we can just continue to add these viewpoints. Now, we've got our viewpoints programmed, and when you were to open this project up for, say, your customer, instead of now going through and struggling to find these different ways to look at the project that you've already created significant points measure for, we can just instead go to the viewpoints and allow the software to take us right to where we want to be. I hope this little tidbit helps you out. If, again, you have any questions on a particular subject that you'd like to see us address, go ahead and email or call us. Come to AtlanticLaserScanning.com. Good luck on your projects.